Did you fill out your CAO application back in February and now realise that it could do with another look, as you'd rather eat glass than study what you picked? Well, don't panic. Welcome to the CAO Change of Mind facility, the ultimate undo button for your future. It opens on May the 6th at 12 noon and closes definitely on July the 1st at exactly 5 p.m. No extensions are allowed. The best part: it's completely free of charge. You can log in and scramble your course choices as many times as you want until that July deadline. And here's a nice tip. You can even use this window to add brand new courses that weren't even available back in February. You can hunt these shiny new degrees down on the college alert lists. Let me show you how to access these alert lists. Head over to cao.ie, click on My Application on the top menu, click on Applicant Resources on the left, and then select Alert List here. Check out the college you are interested in, for example ATU. There might be a brand new course you weren't aware of that could change your life. Your course could also have been cancelled, paused, or the entry requirements could have changed. Now the catch: restricted courses. You generally cannot use this window to suddenly apply for courses that need a portfolio, interview, or audition if you didn't already list them by February the 1st. The only ninja loophole is if your new restricted course shares the exact same assessment procedure as the course you already applied for, but you must consult the college before trying this move. The new course search on Careers Portal is also a great way to search. Just go into search courses, then go to course type, then select CAO Higher Education HET, then a little down the page select new CAO courses for 2026. Here you can view all the new courses that have come on stream, 59 of them this year, so well worth a look. But listen closely. When you make a change of mind, it completely cancels and supersedes your old list. You must enter all the courses you want, the new ones and the old ones, in your new genuine order of preference. Don't accidentally get rid of your entire backup plan just to add one new course. If you're contemplating changes, here's what to do. Navigate to cao.ie, click My Application, log in with your CAO number, date of birth and password. To adjust courses, simply click on Change Level 8 Courses or Change Level 6-7 Courses. Confirm your changes and they'll be saved in the system. You will receive an email acknowledgement. Just check it for any errors and that's it. Finally, the golden rule. Do not guess the points. Put your absolute dream course at number 1, your second favorite at number 2, and so on. If you get an offer for your first choice, everything below it vanishes into thin air. So get researching, fix that list if it needs fixing, and do it before 5 p.m. on July the 1st. If you found this helpful, please like, share, follow, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you.